Hi foodies, welcome to my channel. My name is Jefalayo and today we are making classic Nigerian party salad. Yes, and you see how colorful and beautiful this is. This is often served at parties and gatherings and pairs perfectly well with the party jollof or fried rice. So let's get into it. And for this recipe you'll be needing the ingredient listed on the screen. And one thing that makes people shy away from making salad is because they do not know how to preserve the salad to last really long. So one of the things I'll be sharing with you in this video is that ways you can preserve your salad to last longer, especially if you are hosting a party, for it to last beyond 24 hours. So firstly, we have to cut our veggies all. One thing about salad is please cut your veggies thinly, like give them a very fine chop cutting. It makes it beautiful in serving, and it's easier to eat that way also because they are not chunky, they are thinly sliced. So you just follow the pattern on the cabbage and just keep going like that until you have this tiny stripe cut, and this is what it should look like. So one of the things is when you wash your ingredients, your salad ingredients, ensure to pat them dry or dry them with a towel so you don't have any moisture. You do not want any moisture in your greens or any of your vegetables while making your salad, otherwise the water is what will make your salad start going rancid or bad. So I'm also using some lettuce. Use any type of lettuce that you have. Lettuce just give the beautiful green look and all that. And because we don't want moisture in our salad, that is why we are removing the seed from this cucumber. Cucumber will sweat water from the seed. So remove the old seed in the center of the cucumber, and then you have successfully made your cucumber not to be the culprit to make your salad go bad. So after making your salad, another thing is to make sure that you are storing it in a container that reduce airflow, like air is not coming in and you're not trapping too much air, so you cover it up completely and refrigerate. If you don't have freezer or fridge to keep it, ensure you are putting your bowl or tray of salad in an ice tray, like you put another tray under it with cold water or ice to keep the temperature of your vegetables in your salad fresh. Otherwise some of them will start losing their colors. So yeah, I'm just chopping up all the remaining veggies that I have to use for this salad. Feel free to use any ingredient, remove any ingredient you do not like, or to add any of your favorite ingredient that may not be in this recipe. You are free to create anything you like. So I'm using cherry tomatoes here. Feel free to use regular tomatoes, just ensure to remove the old seed. Cherry tomatoes are sweet, they're delicious. So I'll be showing you two ways to arrange your salad depending on the setup you want. So this is the tray arrangement. You just keep layering them one after the other. By the aesthetic look of this after serving is none of the ingredients is mixed up. You have to start mixing it when you want to serve it. So you can use this for large scale salad making or parties that you do not want to mix up yet. And or if you're serving somebody like a batch, somebody came to visit you and they're trying to take a takeaway, you can make this. It's easier to carry, and it lasts much longer because there is no contamination or mixed up from some of these ingredients. So this is how the layered one looks like, and just add your boiled egg at the top for more aesthetic, and sprinkle some of your red peppers, and this is ready if this is the aim you want. And the second method is the all put together, to mix up the salad itself. So you just keep layering all your ingredients over each other. This way there is less hassle when you want to serve. You just scoop, and you can be sure that every ingredient is already one scoop that you're scooping up. So this is also one of the best one we use for party salads or large gathering salads, because we do not need to go through so many stretches. So, and the best thing for salad is not to mix it up with the salad dressing until you're ready to serve. The salad dressing will make it sweat and become watery. So only mix the portion you're about to serve with the salad cream when you're about to serve. Otherwise, keep it just veggies alone until you are ready to serve. So I keep layering all my ingredients top over each other to give a beautiful look, and arrange the cherry tomato lastly. Some people don't like tomatoes. And then you put in your boiled egg, and you just keep layering, and this is what it looks like. If you don't like onions, feel free to skip the onions or remove your onions. You do not need to put onions if you don't like onions. So combine all your ingredients in a large bowl And if you're not ready to serve, just keep it refrigerated until you're ready to serve. Cool salads are so delicious. Like when your salad is cold, it's so delicious. And that is how to make her Nigerian party salad. This is ready to serve and perfect for your parties and gathering. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipe videos. Bye.